Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting travel series. I'm Supreet. Today is 28th August 2022 and I've just landed in Leh, the land of high passes. So it had been quite a while since I made this plan, and it's going to be a biking adventure. And yeah, I am not riding from Bangalore, so I flew from Bangalore to Leh. So here there's a group. Again, this entire ride is organized by Thrilophilia in association with KTM. So I'll be riding a KTM 390 adventure. It's going to be a 7-day tour. I'll be covering all the important places. So today is day one. We don't have much to do. We just need to get acclimatized here. I just checked into my hotel. I'm going to show you my room soon. So yesterday at 5 p.m. I had a flight from Bangalore to Delhi. I reached Delhi by around 9 p.m. There was a layover. I spent the entire night in the lounge. And today morning at 5:30 I had another flight to Leh. I got to witness beautiful sunrise. Let me see if I can add those pictures or videos in this. So, and it is quite hot here. I didn't expect this. I've got some heavy gear. Let's see how things are gonna go. See you soon.
A short flight. It took around an hour to reach Leh from Delhi. So Leh is the capital of Ladakh, which is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. And the name of the airport goes something like this: Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport. So this is located at an elevation of around 3,000 meters above the sea level. So this entire airport is controlled and operated by the military. So I was not allowed to click any photos or record any videos. My driver was waiting, and we are on our way to our hotel. See you there. It's around 11 a.m. I just reached the hotel. Leh is a very small city. Our hotel is just around 10 minutes away from the airport, and I guess I'm the first one to reach the hotel. This is basically a solo trip for me. So from Bangalore, I traveled solo. I will be meeting a lot of new people here and will be traveling with them. Let me quickly give you a room tour. I'll be staying in this hotel called Utpala Retreat for the next 2 days. Bikes have just arrived, and the other riders have also reached the hotel. Let's quickly inspect all the bikes and head out. It is around 5 in the evening. We reached the Leh Palace. This place looks super crowded. We couldn't even find space to park our bikes. Let me tell you more about this place. The Leh Palace is also known as Lachin Palkar Palace. This was constructed in early 1600s. The royal family used to stay here until the Dogra forces took control, and they were forced to move to another palace called as the Stock Palace. We'll be visiting that place on the last day of our trip. This palace is 9 stories high, and the rooftop gives amazing views of the entire Leh and the surrounding areas. Let's check it out. After exploring the Leh Palace, we have reached the Shanti Stupa. So, this was constructed by a Japanese Buddhist, and it holds the relics of the Buddha. This is one of the popular tourist attractions in Leh, not just due to its religious significance, but also it offers amazing panoramic views. Hence, it's super crowded here. Let's check this place out too. Reached our hotel at around 7 p.m. and decided to explore the Leh market. So, the Leh market is one of the most attractive and energetic places in Ladakh. You can get to shop everything starting from jewelry to clothes, groceries, and also taste some delicious local food. We did have some spicy momos, they were really delicious. So the market mainly consists of stores set up by the Tibetan refugees. You can buy a lot of gift articles or some souvenirs. So that's it for the day. We'll be heading back to our hotel and we're going to have a good sleep because we are all super tired. See you in the next vlog.